In this video, I'll show you how you can buy Ethereum on Coinbase. I'll show you how you can do it on the app, so it's going to take less than 5 minutes. If that sounds interesting to you, please do leave a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here we are on Coinbase and I'm going to show you and walk you through everything that you need to do. The first step would be to sign up for an account. If you don't already have an account, I'll leave a link in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and you can sign up for an account. And as an added bonus, if you buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency, you're going to get $10 free. Once you've created your account, you will be on a homepage which looks something like this. Here you can see my portfolio balance is $536, and I can scroll down and Coinbase will show me more information about news and different cryptocurrencies. But what we want to do, we want to click on the button, which is in the bottom middle of the page, the blue button with the arrows. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to then go to buy. And you would do this as well. That will then load up all of the different cryptocurrencies you can buy. We're buying Ethereum, so go ahead and click on Ethereum. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a payment method. I've removed mine because when you first create your account, you will have to add one as well. So go ahead and click on add payment method and then add payment method again. And I'm going to show you how you can do it with credit card in this case, because it is the easiest method. So go ahead and click on credit card. So now you just need to enter in your information like you would do on Amazon or any other website. And there we go, that has now been added. So we can now go ahead and click on done. And we should now be taken back to the buy page where we can go and buy. So you can see my bank has been added. I've got a £3,000 limit. For the video, I'm just going to buy, let's say £40 worth of Ethereum. So I'm going to key in 40. Then I'm going to click on preview buy and it's going to give us an overview here. So at the top here, we've got how much Ethereum we're going to receive. It's going to show you your payment method. So we're purchasing £38.01 worth of Ethereum and there's a £2 fee. If we're happy with that, we can click on buy now. And then just like that, it is now loading. And shortly we should have bought this. There we go. So now we've bought the Ethereum and it should be now in our balance. That's all you need to do, guys. Please do leave a like and make sure you subscribe if this video did help you out.